First of all, alhamdulillah, I have a very good wife. I have to, may
Mashallah.
Allah bless her, reward her, because
Ameen,
that's
ameen.
only
Mashallah.
Allah can reward her. Alhamdulillah, I have a very good wife. So my wife is very supportive, and she has been taking care of my children. So that's
Mashallah.
the first thing she has done. Majority of the work already. When I work, right? So when I teach, I teach. But of course, I don't teach full time anyway.
Akhi, when you said like you had such a supportive wife, I reflect actually there's quite a lot of shuyukh who say that actually. It's behind the scenes, the people who really take
Correct.
care, mashallah, they give the peace of mind to do what they want. So, mashallah, sisters, they play a very important role.
Very
Sometimes
important role.
because even my wife, she once told me this. She's like, oh, you get to do this, you get to do that. And I'm sitting at home. I said, no, because of you, I can do all this. And because
You
of you
will get the
supporting
reward
me,
also.
yeah, you
You
get
will
the
get the
reward
reward.
also. Yeah,
Don't worry.
mashallah,
Yeah.
Allahumma barik,
That's why I told my wife
mashallah.
also.